to show you 2016 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, Bose sound system, traction control, heated seats, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.